Hey team, I'm Ariane. I'm an artist and designer currently studying interaction design at the California College of the Arts in San Francisco. Fun fact about me, I hyperfixate on different stuff all the time. Just last year, I was building this dragon spine prosthetic with Arduino. Now I'm a vocalist and lead guitarist for a band, so I'm always making things, just in different forms. Anyway, let's dive into Figma. I use Figma for a lot of projects, including this video. FigJam might be my favorite because of its dynamic and playful environment, and from my experience, it is where most free-flowing collaborations happen. My teammates and I can put up stickies and ideas so seamlessly. Small features like the past few April Fun Days, where you can have your own custom cursors and see your teammates' Fig pals, add a lot of personality, delight, and therefore morale in the workspace. And speaking of morale, if I were to host an event, and my classmates and I have been dreaming about this for some time, I'd throw a mixer that's made for us. There are events like this all over the Bay Area, but they tend to be inaccessible to students. By the time we hear about them, they're already sold out. The IXD program at CCA is made up mostly of international students, and sometimes we tend to be siloed into our own world. And in an industry built on connections, it's especially tough to break through without enough resources, and it's exhausting to fend for ourselves. So, meeting students where they're at and dedicating a fun, curated day to give students access to each other, the tools they use, the industry people they know, are powerful steps to creating a thriving community. I think Figma's goal is exactly that. We use Figma not just as a tool, but as a way to bring people together through collaboration and co creation. Thank you.